Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll start with Unit 4 Roots. Before starting, I would like to tell you that I have collected some of the roots. As you can see, these are some of the roots. Okay, first I'm going to tell you about roots. As we all know that all roots grow in the soil. Where do they grow? They grow deep in the soil. Then there are subroots which are thick and strong, like for example roots of apple tree or roots of mango tree. So these roots are thick and strong. And where do they grow? They grow deep in the soil. Then there are some roots which are thin and weak. So for example, like the roots of mint or the roots of coriander. So these are some of the roots which are thin and weak, and they do not grow deep in the soil. Then kinds of roots. In kinds of roots, we are going to study about the taproot and the fibrous root. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the difference between the taproot and the fibrous root. Now taproot. Taproot is a thick root, and this taproot has many roots growing from it. As you can see it here, these are the small roots which are growing from this thick root. Like for example, a beet. As you can see it here, it has a thick root, and this thick root, then it has small roots which grows from this thick root. Like for example, a beet or a carrot or a radish. So they all have the taproot. Now the fibrous root. Fibrous root. Now fibrous roots are those roots which have many branches of the same size. Like onion. Onion has fibrous roots. As you can see it here, this is the garlic, so it has the fibrous roots. So from this garlic, these fibrous roots, it has many branches of the same size. As now the taproot. Now the taproot is that one root which stores a lot of food, and the fibrous roots, they do not store much food. Okay, now root hairs. Now I am going to tell you about root hairs. As you can see it here, these are the root hairs. So all roots have very fine hairs on them, and these fine hairs are then called root hairs. Now what is the function of root hairs? Root hairs suck water and minerals from the soil. Now root cap. What is root cap? Now as you can see it here, this is the tip of the root, and this tip of the root is called what? Root cap. Now what is the function of root cap? The root cap, it protects this root tip. What does it do? It protects this root cap. Okay, now functions of roots. Now I am going to tell you the functions of roots. What are the functions of roots? The first function of root is that it sucks water and minerals from the soil. Now what is mineral? Minerals are nutrients which plants need for their growth. So the roots, they suck water and minerals from the soil. Now the second function is that it stores food in the soil. When these roots, they store food in the soil. So when the plant will need this food, then they just take it from the soil, and it is taken to its all parts of the body. Now the third function of root is that it fixes the plant in the soil. Like as you can see it here, what does it do? It fixes the plant in the soil. Like when there will be roots of the plant, so it will be in the upright position. But if there are no roots, then it cannot fix the plant in the soil. Okay students, now for today your homework is that you have to collect You have to collect some roots and you have to paste it on a chart. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will do the reading of Unit 4, Roots. Roots grow in the soil. Roots. A root grows in the soil. It sucks water and minerals from the soil. Minerals are nutrients which plants need for their growth. So these three are the functions of roots. It stores food for the plant. It fixes the plant in the soil. Then there are some roots which are thick and strong. They grow deep in the soil. Some roots are thin and weak. They do not grow very deep in the soil. Kinds of roots. Some roots have one big part which is thick. This thick root is called a taproot. A taproot has many small roots growing from it. A taproot stores a lot of food. Some roots have many branches of the same size. These roots are called fibrous roots. They do not store much food. Onions have fibrous roots. Now this is the taproot, this one. So a beet has a taproot. Root hairs. All roots have very fine hairs on them. These are called root hairs. These are the root hairs. And what is the function of root hairs? Root hairs suck water and minerals from the soil. Now root cap. This is the root cap. The tip of the root has a root cap. This is the tip of the root and it is called the root cap. What is the function of root cap? The root cap protects the root tip. Okay students, now we will do the exercise of Unit 4 Roots. So take out page number 27, question number 1, that is fill in the blanks. The first one is that a root grows in the dash. So where do roots grow? A root grows in the soil. Now the second one is that a root stores dash for the plant. As I told you also that what does a root do? It was in the functions of roots. A root stores dash for the plant. A root stores food for the plant. Now the third one is that some roots are dash and weak. Some roots are thin and weak. Now the fourth one is that a thick root is called a dash root. So a thick root is called what? Taproot. And the fifth one is that dash roots do not store much food. So which one roots? Fibrous roots do not store much food. And the taproot, they store much food. So which one root do not store much food? It is fibrous root. Okay, now question number 3. What is the work of? It means that you have to write the functions of these two. First is the root hairs and second is the root cap. So you have to write its function. So the first one is the root hairs suck. The root hairs suck water and minerals from the soil. So it is the function of root hairs. Now the second one is the root cap. The root cap protects the root tip. Okay, now your homework is that you have to solve question number 2, that is draw 2 different types of roots. So this is your homework. Your homework is that do question number 2 on page number 27. And your question number 2 is that draw two different types of roots. So the columns are given, and in one column you have to draw the taproot, and in other column you have to draw the fibrous root. Okay students, and now today we'll do the exercise of roots. The first question is that where do roots grow? So its answer is that a root grows in the soil. Okay, the second question is that what are the function of roots? So the first one is that it sucks water and minerals from the soil. Now the second one function of root is that it stores food for the plant. The third one is that it fixes the plant in the soil. Now question number 3, differentiate between a taproot and fibrous roots. So the first one, we have to write the taproot. We have to write the difference between the taproot and the fibrous root. The first difference of taproot is that, as I told you, that taproot is a thick root. Thick root which has many small roots growing from it. As you can see it in the diagram also, that these are the small roots and this is the thick root from which the small roots are growing from it. The second one, a difference of taproot is that it stores food for the plant. Now fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are roots which have many branches of the same size. As you can see it here, this is the diagram of onion. So it has many roots, same roots that are, it has this many branches of the same root that are growing from it. Now the second one is that it do not stores much food. Like the taproot, the fibrous roots, they do not store much food. Okay, now question number 4 is that what are root hairs? So its answer is that all roots have very fine hairs on them. It means that all the roots have very fine hairs on them, and then these fine hairs are called what? Are called root hairs. Now question number 5. What is a root cap? Its answer is that the tip of the root has a root cap which protects the root tip. It means that the tip of the root, this is the tip of the root, this, and it is called root cap, and it protects the root tip. Now your homework for today is that you have to draw root hairs, a diagram of root hairs and a diagram of root cap, and you have to draw it in your notebooks. Thank you, class.